Number 10, customized newsletter. We have a customized newsletter so that you can keep in contact with all of your past clients. Why do you want to keep in contact with all of your past clients? Because they are going to talk about you and you want them to talk well about you, right? After you perform an inspection, it's going to be a great inspection, great experience. They're going to buy the home and maybe be able to negotiate because of your thorough inspection report. And they're going to talk about you at work, at play, at home. And they're going to forget about you if you don't reach out to them. They're going to forget if their friend is buying a home. They're going to forget you. They will. They'll forget you. And it's your fault, right? You didn't give them a book to put on their shelf. You give them a couple more to pass out to their friends. Didn't give them really professional looking marketing, or you didn't send them a newsletter that they can subscribe to. Why would they subscribe to a boring newsletter? Well, this newsletter isn't boring. It's customized to the home that you inspected. So for example, if you inspected a very old home that had a roof problem and a hot water tank that was leaking, Shazam, we customized the newsletter so that the first issue is about older homes and older home problems and maintenance issues, how to maintain a roof, and how to replace a hot water tank. Issues that are specific to the home that you inspected and the defects that you found and already wrote about in your inspection report are in the newsletter. So it's something that they would actually read. You have to keep in contact with your clients.